Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on how to access Pronunciator, our online language instruction resource. Register for a new account, then launch Pronunciator. Pronunciator can help you learn or learn from 315 languages in total. Choose the language you speak usually and click on the down arrow to choose a language to learn. Pronunciator teaches 315 languages through any of 144 home languages. That's 23,616 possible language combinations. Scroll to find the language you wish to learn. Once you select a language, you have 4 choices: main course, grammar compendium, daily lessons, and learning guides. In main course, you determine your level of core vocabulary, essential verbs, creating sentences, powerful phrases, and conversations. Beginning with listening skills and progressing through flashcards, voice comprehension, pronunciation analysis, and coaching services. It's all here in one package. Proficiency will be determined by drills and quizzes. As you progress, so do the complexity of the lessons. What is a personalized course? A personalized course is a series of lessons created specifically for you, taking into account the things you love or your occupation, the learning goals you have, your skill level in the language, how much time you have available each day, how motivated you are, and how many months you want to study. There are a vast array of units to choose from. Levels can range from beginners to experts. The program can be adapted for children through adults. Read here to learn more about why it works. If you have any other questions or concerns, please email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.